On June 3rd, 1921, an intense rainstorm called a cloudburst struck the Arkansas River basin above the thriving city of Pueblo, Colorado. The rain was so intense that witness Mr. Fred Rosencrantz later told members of the U.S. Geological Survey. At the time, the water in the Arkansas appeared to be flowing both up and downstream, the upriver current being caused by the inflow from Blue Ribbon Creek and the other arroyos from the south. According to the website of the city of Pueblo, the flood warning first came at 6:30 p.m., June 3rd, 1921. An unknown person called and reported that the Arkansas River was flooding upstream. The flood was caused by a sudden cloudburst on the Arkansas just 10 miles west of Pueblo. The flood only became worse later on when Fountain Creek also began to flood with downpours 30 miles north. When the two merged in the heart of Pueblo, the results were catastrophic. The financial costs of the Great Pueblo Flood of 1921 were enormous, damaging businesses, railroads, and carrying away some 600 homes, with losses estimated to be the equivalent of $300 million in today's dollars. The human cost was even more difficult to determine, with estimates ranging between just under 100 to as much as 1,500. A 2020 master's thesis from the Harvard University Extension School created a database listing over 600 likely dead based on contemporary newspaper reports, but also concluded that the true number was very likely underreported, and that there is a high likelihood that the Great Flood of 1921 in Pueblo was the most deadly in Colorado's history, and perhaps one of the most deadly in United States history.